Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to connect your TV to the internet. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and then enter General. Enter Network, open Network Settings, and now select between wireless or wired. If you select wired, it's a very simple case, because you have to basically plug the Ethernet cable to the TV. If you go to wireless, you'll have to search for Wi-Fi networks, then select your Wi-Fi, enter a password. Now the wireless connection is established, press OK, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.